Hey everybody, this is Kelly with North Commerce, and in this video I want to give you an update of what we've been working on over the last few weeks. So if you're not a part of the Discord server where we do a lot of our sharing and communicating within the community, then you probably haven't heard that many updates, and I apologize for that, but we've been working really hard on releasing a beautiful secure, scalable e-commerce solution for WordPress. And so we've been working on security, we've been working on checkout and making sure that everything, both when you're reading data and writing data to your database, that it is done securely. And now that we've finished that, we have amazing momentum moving forward to release some of the core features of North. So I wanted to take you through just some of the like the checkout flow now for North Commerce. So like this is the standard e-commerce checkout flow that you get kind of right out of the box with the templates that we have. And basically what you can do here is you can adjust the quantity here, and I can add a product to my cart, and it appears just right here. Then I can go check out, and I can start by creating a customer here. So I'll just type in, a fake email here, and I'll hit continue. And what you'll notice here is that if I go to the network tab, it's actually doesn't show it, but I can show you here inside of customers. It creates that customer as I begin to check out here. So I have customers, and I have the order that has a status of created and a payment status of unpaid. So as a customer begins to check out, we already capture their email address and create them as a customer, so that if they end up abandoning their cart or something, or abandoning the checkout, or don't complete the checkout process, then you have their information and can follow up with them. So you'll see that, that's been created. If there's an existing user already that has this email address and they type it in, then we won't create a new customer, but we'll just add that particular order to this existing customer that's been created with that same email. So then I'll go in here and I'll type in my shipping information, and I'll just put a fake number and a fake address. Let's see, I'm just making something up here. I'll put Gilbert, Arizona. I'm from Arizona. And I can add a billing address as well if I'd like, or I don't have to, because maybe my billing address is the same as my shipping address. All good. I can click save and continue. And then I will add a credit card or debit card. So you'll notice here that we have the Stripe elements, card element. So if I go here, I should have had this pulled up already, but it's okay. You'll see here we are using card element, and this is specifically for Stripe, of course, but we have the card element we are using, but right now we are upgrading to the payment element, which is also recommended by Stripe, and you'll get kind of all the payment methods that Stripe offers directly out of the box. So you'll get regular credit or debit card, Google Pay, Afterpay, Klarna, Affirm, bank account. You can also get like Afterpay and all sorts of other things. I'm trying to see if there's 18 payment methods here. So if you haven't already seen all the payment methods that Stripe offers, you'll get those directly out of the box with your Stripe account with Stripe payments, and that'll be updated here this next week. So I'll go in here and add in some fake card information. That looks good. Hit save and continue, and I will hit place order, and the order will process. And what's happening on the back end? Oh, I forgot to create the thank you page, but it redirects to a thank you page, and it's been successful. So we have an order transaction status, and it's been successful. And now I can refresh the order screen, and I'll see that the status goes from created to unfulfilled, and the payment is marked as paid. So what happens behind the scenes when you are making a when you are creating an order is we make a request to Stripe or any payment method that you end up using. So it could be Molly, it could be PayPal, whatever. Um, we'll make that request, then we'll get a response back from the payment provider. And then we have some automations and what we're calling effects built in to North Commerce to verify whether or not that transaction actually was completed and it actually matches the total um, that should be created for that order. So we don't want anyone going in here adding an item to their cart or something, and then when they go to check out, they can go into the network tab and see what response is being sent and change maybe the total or the order amount or the quantity or whatever. So they truly are paying the correct amount. And then you'll notice as well that when I go into the order here, we have the order ID, which is the first order starting at 1,000, so 1,001. You'll notice that we have the order ID here, and it looks like a weird random string of numbers, and that's all good. The reason we're doing this is this is kind of standard within ID creation. There's things called UUIDs or pub IDs, and basically they're prefixed by whatever it's referencing. So in this case, it's order, so it prefixed with OR, and then we generate a random string of characters here so that no one can guess someone's order, so their data is safe. And if I want to say I end up fulfilling this order or whatever, I can easily change the status to fulfilled, and it updates right away. And go back here and see that the order is fulfilled and that the payment is paid. And I can go into that customer and see the information for their particular order. And yeah, so now that the sort of hard part is finished, the write security, the read security, and kind of some of the automations and effects that we have created so that we can make sure that everything is happening the way it should be. Inventory is decreased. There was originally 25 in stock, but because I purchased 4, there's now 21. All these moving parts are working together with our automations, and everything is secure. We can finally start to finalize the core features of North and get it production ready so you can create stores with North Commerce. And so I'm super excited with the progress that we've made so far. If you haven't already tried out North, you can go to northplugins.com and you can sign up to join our free beta and get a copy of the plugin to install on a local instance, and just give it a try and start messing around with it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. You can chat with us on Intercom here at the bottom right of the website, or just comment on the video, and I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much.